rowing a kayak to explore a deserted island while collecting garbage. This week, Drone Phone is at Koh Phangan in Thailand. Thailand is well known among tourists for its pulsating nightlife and pristine beaches. But it also has some hidden gems for those looking to explore the outdoors. In this series, we travel to the land of smells to do just that. From hiking, bamboo rafting, to mountain biking, trail running, to kayaking, and diving. Today, we are down south at Koh Phangan in the Gulf of Thailand. The flight from Bangkok to Koh Samui takes about an hour and 15 minutes. From there is a 30-minute speedboat ride to this island. Good day, welcome back to Drone Phone. This is a Thailand adventure series. Now I'm still on Koh Phangan and I happen to bump to my old friend Clement. How are you doing, Clement?
How are you doing? Good, huh?
yeah. Beautiful island. Today we're gonna do something slightly different from the previous episode. Hiking and all that. We're gonna go on the kayak. That's why I brought him up. So two of us have a buddy system. We'll be safe. Yeah? What's your expectation today?
We'll try to bring back Jack safe after a small trip on the kayak.
Yeah. The main purpose is to have some exercise. In the meantime, we have some environmental protection related stuff. Collect some sea garbage.
Yeah, unfortunately, we have to do this duty.
Yeah, it's our duty. Let's go! Koh Phangan is popular for its monthly full moon party, but this time I'm exploring its nature beauty. You can rent a kayak for about $6 an hour, or $15 for the day. I got it for free from my hotel, and it wasn't peak season yet. Today, we're heading to Khao Tai Nai, which is about 400 meters from Koh Phangan's main pier, Tongsala. This uninhabited island is accessible only via chartered boat or a kayak. See how unstable Clement is paddling. I'm shaking all over the place.
I'm doing double walk.
I'm paddling too, huh? After about 30 minutes of paddling, as we approach the island, we try to ride a wave to surf a bit. That was a success. The approach to the island is a bit tricky when the tide is low, but very peaceful once you are in. We later learned this was built many years ago as a shelter for boats. A bit of effort.
Need a bit of garbage.
We landed and went further inside to look around. Clement got fascinated with the old boat wreck. And look at this train. A bit of exploration here. The horse of Robinson Crusoe, 1986, is totally deserted. We did not see Mr. Crusoe or Freddy there. Mother Nature, it seems, is reclaiming the place. This is a very interesting experience. We spent not much effort. The sandy bay was nice.
Feeling good.
Yeah, and then that little deserted resort was spooky. Interesting though. I saw you were checking the boat.
Yeah, very nice rig. Really huge boat. Huh?
Yeah. Wooden.
Very interesting wooden.
Yeah.
Don't try to get on.
He almost fell. But look at what we got. Not much effort, yeah? Already.
On the way, we had to collect a few floating plastics, unfortunately, but no, it happens everywhere in the world nowadays.
Yeah, sad, very sad. But we need to head back. Let's go.
Let's go.
You could paddle around the island in about 2 hours, if you have got time and sufficient water to drink. We cruised back smoothly with the current in our favor. Almost there, almost there.
Almost. We will get a bit of weight on float.
Well, that was a short trip, yeah?
Short trip, but very beautiful, huh?
Yeah, I really enjoyed that. The color of the water. Also not too much effort to paddle in the relatively calm sea.
Yeah, calm sea, and we went through the sand strip. Very unique.
Yeah, there's something really special. We caught a little bit of wave, just a little bit.
We try our best. we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, it was a nice activity to do outdoor stuff. At the meantime, we did something extra to collect the garbage.
Yeah, always sad to see this. So if you have the opportunity, you just pick it up and bring back to the shore.
Yeah, look at what we got in just a small trip. So every time if you get the chance to go out, you collect the box like us.
Yeah, better ending in the trash than staying in the sea.
Yeah, definitely. So I have to say bye for the show. Thank you for watching wherever you are. Like and subscribe. So I'm Jack.
Clement.
This is Draw on the Phone.